We're back. We just got some primer on this stuff yesterday. I need to sand the primer with some 400 grit sandpaper and put a little guide coat on. What guide coat helps us do is identify where we have sanded, where we have not, and then it identifies imperfections that I know I never leave behind, but some people do. So a light coat of guide coat. This stuff dries very rapidly. I might as well do all of them. Huh? Got one down here. 400 grit wet or dry sandpaper. I'm going to dry sand this unless I have problems with balling up or anything like that. Once I dry sand, I'm actually going to go find my respirator because I'm out of dust mask again. See you back here in a second. Through the magic of YouTube, I'm back with the respirator. Let's sand this. So what you can see here is as I started sanding, the guide coat showed my 150 grit scratches. As I kept going with the 400 grit, those sand scratches disappeared. Couple pieces of bare steel coming through, that's fine. You can see where I have not sanded at all. You can see where I have not sanded enough. That texture is actually the orange peel in my primer. Some more sand scratches. This is gonna look pretty good. I'm gonna do this to all the pieces. And then we're gonna Scotch-Brite all the pieces. Find a way to set them up in a paint booth, which is always a struggle with oddball pieces. 5 pieces. I gotta paint inside and out a nice 75% gloss silver. And I got sanding to do.